What is up, you guys? I am home and I have been working, but all in good fun. I'm great. I'm happy to be home. I have really enjoyed my stay in London and I can't wait to go back and, enjoy a good time around the world, because that is what your girl is going to be doing, but in the process of still working, and during the weekday and also in between that time I'm still doing my art. My goal is to really get my work off the ground, but I want to elevate it to the next level. And I don't know what it is. I've been kind of stuck. I've been struggling of trying to figure out how can I do that? How can I get my work to the next level? And but all in the process of still enjoying what I am doing. I don't want to get burnt out from doing what I love, but also I want to do the work. I love doing what I am doing, because I am taking this painting that I'm working on of myself for myself as a metaphor that, Kayla, you are going to continuously work on yourself, and it's never going to be perfect, but it will be close to perfect. I promise you. And this is just a message to myself that I have to say out loud, and just for it to process the way I need to.